Topic is pheromones. Pheromones and mammalian reproduction. Pheromones. Pheromones term first used by Coulson and Berthoud from communication in insects. Innate releaser mechanism in response to chemical signals associated with behavior, social status, territory, parental care, development, and reproduction. Nocturnal animal and rodent use it to signal. Mammalian reproduction is coordinated by physical, social, environmental, and chemical factors, hormones, and pheromones. Mostly olfactory system has the respiratory receptor for airborne chemicals. Receptor are ciliated neuron and their axon goes back to olfactory bulbs. Olfactory cell mucosa has differential response to related chemical. Olfactory bulb ectomy lead to anosmia, lack of olfaction result in abnormal neurochemical change in CNS. Function of other chemoreceptor may be affected. Olfactory bulbs, mitral cells, neuroscience, nature review. Pheromone and mammalian reproduction. How pheromones are different from hormone. Pheromones are product of exocrine glands. Transmission through external environment generate response in bodies of other individual. How pheromones are related to hormone. Exocrine gland producing pheromone are under hormonal control. In some species, hormone metabolite leave the body as pheromone. Pheromones bring about physiological response involving CNS and endocrine gland. Types of pheromones. Sex-related pheromones are two types. Signaling pheromones, set attraction. Priming pheromone, physiological and behavioral event. Signaling pheromones. Mammal release a variety of odor from skin gland, second microorganism, excretory products, etc. to environment which can provide information about their diet, hormone level, stress, activity pattern, and maybe reproduction as well, but not all are chemo signals. Nature and composition of odor produced by various body parts can get modified under the influence of hormones and disease condition. Wrong signal. Sex steroid can affect size and level of secretion of skin gland. In mammal, urine is mostly the source of internal glandular secretion and metabolic breakdown product which are of signaling value. Signaling pheromones. In rat, male can discriminate between male and female odor. Male display preference to receptive estrus over non-receptive diestrus. Decrease progesterone at the end of this stage. Regression of corpus luteum female. No such response in castrated and immature males. Not androgen dependent response but testosterone treatment enhance odor detection performance. Sexual experience. Learning help to select odor preference. Odor of female vaginal discharge during first ejaculation become favorite for the specific male and he can differentiate this female among the group of females. Unexperienced male are attracted to the urine of intact females but not that of intact male or ovariectomized or castrated or pituitary ectomized females. Microtines also attracted by female urine but no preference over 4 estrus ever diestrus female. Signaling pheromones, sex attractants. In golden hemisphere, nocturnal burrowing animals, anosmia lead to total suppression of courtship and copulatory behavior. Experienced male prefer odor of estrus over pregnant and lactating females and show high aggression toward them as well as to male. Pheromone in hamster vaginal discharge (HVD) act as sex attractant and influence sexual behavior. Quantity and contents of HVD varies with reproductive state. Changing HVD profile alert male for estrus or distress phase. Experienced male prefer estrus female bedding in cage, stop responding when HDV order or lost. Male preference for HVD due to early and androgen exposure. Neonatal females exposed to testosterone followed by ovarian tomy develop HVD preference like males. HVD applied on male back make them sexually attractive to other male but no copulation in resulted. HVD has dimethyl disulfide acting as sex attractant. Phemogram of HVD can be detected by male olfactory system. Dimethyl trisulfide in HVD suppress attractive property. Signaling pheromone sex attractant in golden hamster. Response of male hamster toward HVD include approach the source and sniffing at door. Consumption of secretion, increased sexual arousal and tendency for copulation, increased plasma testosterone level, decreased aggressive tendencies. ZNSO4 applied as nasal infusion in male did not impaired mating, but when applied on vomeronal nerves, copulatory behavior reduced 1/3 of the normal. Jack Bones organ is connected to nasal and oral cavity via nasopalatine canal and is important copulatory behavior. Women nasal denervations followed by ZNSO4 exposure result in no mating in male at all. Vomeronasal nerve are stimulated by pheromones. Experienced hamster also respond to odor of cheerleader androgen dependent adrenal gland present in eye orbit to gender differentiation. Signaling pheromone in mouse. Vomeronasal ectomy lead decrease copulatory and aggressive behavior, decrease sexual arousal. But male can mate and discriminate gender. Male fail to produce ultrasonic vocalization, which are normally produced in response to female odor. Female mouse can also detect the male pheromones alkyl acetate produced by male prepucial gland, exocrine gland present in front of genitals to ensure that male availability for conception. Male pheromones are also important for their selection by females for mating among the male population. Prepucial is androgen dependent gland and size increase with maturity. Pregnant female mouse is not attracted toward prepucial gland secretion. Dominant male mouse urine is attractive for estrus female while urine of subordinate is attractive for distress females. In primates, relatively underdeveloped olfactory system, rhesus monkey produce chemosignal involved in sex attraction. Osterodile plugged in vagina of aviruticized females make them attractive for males. Female monkey produce complex mixture of fatty acid and pheromones under estradiol stimulation. Animal learns species specific olfactory character during early part of life. Cross-fostered pygmy and house mice showed preference for odor of foster parent later on during life. Similar observation in hamster of various species. Priming pheromones. Coordinate physiological and behavioral event to ensure onset of puberty at proper time leading to reproduction. Juvenile female mouse exposed to budding solid by mature male gets puberty 10 days earlier than female exposed to clean bed. Effect who was observed in 21 to 29 days